शिकायत है सबसे आर्यन खान की, वो ऑन कैमरा स्माइल क्यों नहीं करते हैं। मैं आपसे ही जानना चाहती हूँ कि हाउ इज ही ऑफ कैमरा।
He is the total opposite. He's laughing, smiling, cracking jokes, and I have had the best time on set with Aryan.
जो रेफरेंस दिया जा रहा है वो अनन्या पांडे और सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी के साथ काफी कंपेयर किया जा रहा है। आपको पहले से ही आइडिया था या यू जस्ट क्लिक्ड?
No, मुझे आर्यन ने कभी ऐसा बोला नहीं that this is based on that. Maybe it was inspired by that. But उसकी कभी चर्चा हुई नहीं actually because जो हमारा सीन था वो बहुत fresh था और बहुत different जोन में था। तो he never said कि वो वाला सीन देख के आना तो हम ऐसे प्ले करेंगे। Never. It was just a fresh take and round table का उसको सीन रखना था to establish Asman's character and Karishma's character. तो yeah.
लक्ष्य लालवानी best brother or best boyfriend particularly in general?
Oh my God, I would say boyfriend now. Poor Karishma, I feel bad for her.
Yeah, okay. Next project, which one would you choose? Romance, action or comedy?
Romance.
Okay. One word for climax.
Wow.
Okay, one word for Aryan.
Sweetheart.
Okay, lastly, one word for yourself.
For myself, wow, how no, I think you should see it. How can I see it for myself?
Stunning.
How sweet, thank you.
Hi everyone, this is your host Riya और आज मैं एक बहुत ही gorgeous lady के साथ बैठी हुई हूँ, सहर बांबा। Welcome to Instant Bollywood.
Thank you.
So proud of you. So
Thank
nice
you
to
so
have
much.
you here. Badge of Bollywood के लिए congratulations. It's everywhere and सबको पता है कि it's massive, it's huge and it's going great. And touch wood for that. आपसे ये सवाल था कि ओवरऑल जर्नी से सबसे बेस्ट मोमेंट अगर मैं आपको पूछूं तो वो अब तक का कौन सा है? Because it's a lot.
It's a lot, yes.
Yeah.
I would say my moments with Aryan, of course, have been a couple of them, but also my moments with SRK sir.
Okay.
I think he is such an amazing person, so warm, makes you feel so comfortable. I remember my first meeting with him, and then also a couple of parties that Aryan had invited us. So we were, we used to dance to Chhaiya Chhaiya together with SRK and like Chammak Challo. So those are like really strong memories that I'll cherish for the rest of my life. Also the day of the preview.
Oh yes.
When I shared the stage with Shah Rukh.
Yeah, and you danced with him.
Yes.
And that's a moment.
Yes, totally, yeah.
एक शिकायत है सबसे आर्यन खान की, वो ऑन कैमरा स्माइल क्यों नहीं करते हैं। मैं आपसे ही जानना चाहती हूँ कि हाउ इज ही ऑफ कैमरा।
He is the total opposite. He's laughing, smiling, cracking jokes, and I have had the best time on set with Aryan because the only memory that I have of him and I chilling together is him just saying something randomly and me just cracking up and just getting into a laughing fit for the next 10 minutes of what he said 10 minutes back.
Okay.
He's that funny and very witty as a person. And yeah, he's a total opposite. He really laughs and he has beautiful teeth and beautiful smile.
Yeah. Also, the climax.
Yes.
It is so unpredictable. You can't just predict anything.
Yes.
So, I want to ask you, जब आपने रीडिंग सब देख कर ली थी, आपको जब पता चला कि अच्छा ये क्लाइमैक्स है, आपका लक्ष्य क्या रिएक्शन था?
हमें तो पता ही नहीं था ये, आर्यन ने हमें बताया ही नहीं था that this is the climax. In fact, मैं बहुत बारी आर्यन से पूछा था, listen, climax क्या है? कोई मर जाता है क्या होता है? Just tell some hint, just drop some hint. He would go like, no, wait. And we shot the climax towards the end. So by that time, my curiosity had peaked. And I'm like, क्या मैं सबसे writer, सबसे आर्यन सबसे पूछती थी, बता दो क्या होगा. And on the day when we had to shoot for the climax, I think half an hour, 45 minutes before, he's called everybody. He's like, guys, this is the climax. And मुझे तो 10 मिनट समझ में नहीं आया.
You were just processing.
I was processing and I said, what? Like, this is so not expected. But
yeah, definitely. But it was really unique. That's why it worked.
Yes.
Crazy. Also, आपके parents का क्या reaction था when they watched?
They are very happy. They found it extremely hilarious. And मेरी मम्मी ने in fact show release के कुछ 1-2 हफ्ता पहले देख लिया था all the episodes and she was also very she was laughing throughout. She was sitting right next to me and she was laughing.
Yeah. लेकिन आर्यन खान का कोई लास्ट मोमेंट चेंज था जो आपको करने के लिए कहा था and you were like, okay, I'll just do it?
last minute change on the script, you mean?
On the script, on the scene, during the scene.
Scenes में तो actually काफी changes होते थे. On the spot sometimes you would feel कि नहीं एक और variation कर लेते हैं या ऐसा कर लेते हैं. वो तो बहुत changes हुए.
अच्छा.
And we would inevitably do lots and lots of variations of almost every scene.
Really?
Yeah.
What was the best DM or any words ये जो आपको बोले गए हो किसी actor ने?
I am getting a lot of love from the industry also.
Yes.
Like a lot of filmmakers messaging and calling. And one thing that they actually said was that they're very happy that an outsider played an insider, and they just felt like it was convincing. So I'm just very grateful for. So these kind of messages are like really sweet. Yeah.
Also messages से याद है आपने ये भी कहा था इंटरव्यू में कि आर्यन खान आपको बोलते हैं कि safely घर पहुंचना. He just cares for with everyone. Are you in touch with him like abhi bhi?
Of course. In fact, yesterday only I was supposed to meet him, but because my morning was starting early today, so I told him I'll meet him this week. But he's a friend for life. It's not just project kiya chalte bane. He's that kind of a person who you can fall back on as a friend. So he's amazing. Yeah.
और आपका जो डेब्यू हुआ था, like बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं होगा कि बॉबी देओल की फैमिली से ही आपका पहली शुरुआत हुई थी विद द बॉबी देओल से आप पहले से ही टच में थे या ऑन सेट मिले थे?
Bobby sir I met after a long gap. I met Bobby sir in Red Chilli's office.
Achha.
And he was the last person to get cast because
really?
Ajay Talwar was the last person jinki casting baki thi, baki sab finalize ho gaye the. And Aryan, I remember he told me that Ajay Talwar ke character Bobby sir play karenge, and I was just very excited. मैं गई उनसे मिलने, and लक्ष्य भी थे मेरे साथ. तो आर्यन ने बोला कि वो राउंड टेबल का सीन एक बार just करके दिखा दो, so that he knows कि शो क्या है. And after that Aryan gave Bobby sir the entire narration.
Amazing. इतने सारे कैमियोज हुए हैं, दिखे हैं. आपका फेवरेट कैमियो क्या है? क्योंकि सबने तो अपने बता दिए. I want to know from you.
I got to share screen space with Karan Johar sir and Salman sir. So I really had a blast working with the two.
Don't mess with the movie. Also एक मेटा रेफरेंस की बात करूँ, देयर आर टू मेनी मेटा रेफरेंस एंड आई एम नॉट गोना टॉक ईच एंड एवरी क्योंकि बहुत टाइम चला जाएगा उस पर. लेकिन एक मेटा रेफरेंस जो आपके राउंड टेबल पर जो रेफरेंस दिया जा रहा है वो अनन्या पांडे और सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी के साथ काफ़ी कंपेयर किया जा रहा है. आपको पहले से ही आइडिया था या यू जस्ट क्लिक्ड?
No, मुझे आर्यन ने कभी ऐसा बोला नहीं that this is based on that. Maybe it was inspired by that. But उसकी कभी चर्चा हुई नहीं actually because जो हमारा scene था वो बहुत fresh था और बहुत different zone में था. तो he never said कि वो वाला scene देख के आना तो हम ऐसे play करेंगे. Never. It was just a fresh take and round table का उसको scene रखना था to establish आसमान's character and Karishma's character. तो yeah.
Okay. अनन्या पांडे से ये भी याद है कि उन्होंने स्टोरी डाली थी कि @Aryan, I want to be in there with you in Bats of Bollywood season 2.
I would love to have her. She's such a lovely girl.
So do you think it's working? Season 2 पे काम हो रहा है?
Season 2 पे काम अगर हुआ और जब हुआ, I just
I'm in it.
I really hope that बने एक तो season 2. I'm
really hoping and even me too.
Yeah, so
just can't wait to binge watch again.
I'm as an audience also excited what Aryan will bring to the table this time because he really thinks out of the box.
It is. No one expected from him, but he's doing really great.
Yeah.
Okay. एंड आई डोंट नो ये रूमर सच है कि नहीं. आपने जो लास्ट सीन था जब आप भाग रहे थे पीछे बुक्स का शेल दिखाया गया था, वो शूट मन्नत में हुआ था? इफ रूमर्स आर टू बी ट्रू.
No, so we shot it in Alibag, but it's very identical to
okay.
Yeah.
तो ये आप मन्नत गए हो कभी?
काफी बार.
What's the best part about Mannat?
Just the warmth with which they welcome you, whether it's Gauri ma'am, whether it's SRK sir, whether it's Sohana, they're all so welcoming. And my only memories of that section that they have is just parties, and we would just like party and dance to Chaiya Chaiya and Chammak Challo, and then go and have dinner and have dessert, and then dance to Chaiya Chaiya again, and then go back home. So
Chaiya Chaiya is must.
Yes, it's a must. Yeah.
राघव जुएल से मेरी बहुत पहले एक इट्स बीन अ ईयर, मैं पहले इंटरव्यू में उनको आर्यन खान का एक सवाल काफ़ी वायरल भी हुआ था। ये पूछा गया था कि वो जब भी आर्यन खान से मिलते हैं कैसा मुलाकात होती है, तो उन्होंने कहा कि शायद वो उसी टाइम से ही ये सब स्क्रिप्टिंग पर काम चल रहा था। उन्होंने ये कहा था कि जब मैं आर्यन खान के साथ मिला था मन्नत में, तो वन थिंग अबाउट मन्नत वॉज कि आर्यन इज जस्ट लाइक शाहरुख एंड ही ग्रीट्स, ही ट्रीट्स, और वो गाड़ी तक आते हैं छोड़ने, इतना सब कुछ सम्मान देते हैं, बहुत कुछ, मतलब पहले तो ही मेक श्योर कि इज ही और शी कंफर्टेबल और नॉट, एंड दैट्स ट्रू. डू यू एग्री विद दैट?
100%. In fact, I strongly believe an apple doesn't fall too far from the tree. Aryan is exactly like his father. I remember एक पार्टी थी मन्नत में, and बहुत लोग थे, and I was like, I told him, I'm going, I'm leaving. So he said, okay, wait. And he excused himself and he dropped me all the way out.
Oh my God.
Till my car. And he told me, just message me once you get home. You know, these little things which unfortunately I'm not seeing too much of that in my generation, if I'm being very honest.
Yeah.
He's one of the most chivalrous guys I've seen in my generation.
So sweet.
He's lovely. Yeah.
So sweet. Like father, like son.
Yeah, like little things, I would go on set and if he's sitting, he'll get up, he'll offer you the chair.
Oh my God.
And even at Red Chilli's office, he'll drop you till the lift. He'll drop you niche tak. Like, who does that? I've not seen too many people doing that.
He just got it from his father.
Exactly.
Probably. Okay. आपने इतना सारा, like it's getting a lot in your plate. आपको कुछ चेंज नजर आया इस इंडस्ट्री में आफ्टर बैच ऑफ बॉलीवुड? आर पीपल रियली अप्रोचिंग यू ज़्यादा?
Yes, I think finally people are kind of taking notice of my work and taking me seriously as an actor. So I'm very, very happy about that.
Glad.
This is the day that I was waiting for.
Yes.
And yeah.
Okay. Lastly, we'll quickly wrap up with the rapid fire. Okay. One thing about Aryan that you just can't forget.
That he's the most respectful person ever, and he's the funniest person ever, and he's the most calm person ever. उसको कभी मैंने गुस्से में नहीं देखा आज तक.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay. There's one comment that you remind me of Kiara somehow.
Oh.
Do you relate?
I mean, she's stunning. She's very, very pretty. I mean, that's a compliment if anybody said that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. One actor you wanted in Bads of Bollywood badly in cameo, but couldn't happen.
Yesterday, in fact, I met Sushmita Sen ma'am, and there are reels coming out that she should have been.
Yes, he's spotted with them.
Yes, that she should have had a cameo. So yeah, maybe if season 2 is happening, who knows?
Who knows? Okay, one director you want to work with?
Lots. Zoya Akhtar, Karan Johar sir, Shujit Sarkar sir, Meghna Gulzar. I mean, there's a whole list that I have.
Yes. Ahan Pandey and Aryan in one project, yes or no?
Yes, 100%.
Okay. Shah Rukh Khan's one quality or habit you just can't ignore?
One quality, how humble he is. Even after so much success and the superstardom that he has, he's so humble.
Okay. Laksh Lalwani, best brother or best boyfriend, particularly in general?
Oh my God. I would say boyfriend now. Poor Karishma, I feel bad for her.
Yeah. Okay. Next project, which one would you choose? Romance, action or comedy?
Romance.
Okay. One word for climax.
Wow.
Okay, one word for Aryan.
Sweetheart.
Okay, lastly, one word for yourself.
For myself. Wow. How? No, I think you should say it. How can I say it for myself?
Stunning.
How sweet. Thank you.
Okay, lastly, was the one thing that you would love to say to your future self?
That keep going and keep honing your craft and just enjoy the process.
Amazing. Just go with the flow and you're doing absolutely great, and all the best for your upcoming future projects. And thank you so much. It's lovely meeting you.
Likewise.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Seher Bamba and you're watching me on Instant Bollywood.